Once upon a time in a tower so high, a princess named Rapunzel touched the sky. With hair so long and dreams so wide, she let her spirit and curiosity be her guide. As the years passed, she found her own way, embracing adventures in the light of day. From frying pans to kingdoms grand, she proved she could conquer any land. Tangled in her own unique style, her laughter and love would go on for miles. Rapunzel, the princess, grew strong and bold, a story of courage, as we were told. In a world of magic, love, and grace, Rapunzel found her own special place. With friends by her side, and a heart so true, she showed that dreams really do come true. So let's celebrate her journey and cheer, for Rapunzel's story we all hold dear. In the end, it's clear too. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
One, two, three.